You can clean your lungs and stop coughing in less than 3 days with this drink. Pharmacists don't want me to tell you the recipe, so remember to save it so it doesn't disappear. To begin, take a piece of ginger, peel it, then cut it into pieces. Add the ginger pieces to a pan of water and boil for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add 2 cloves and a spoonful of sage. Cover and leave to infuse for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, cut a lemon in half and squeeze out its juice. Add the lemon juice to the mixture, and add a teaspoon of cinnamon and a tablespoon of honey. Drink a large cup of this drink 3 times a day before meals, and you'll be cough-free in less than 3 days. You can clean your lungs and stop coughing in less than 3 days with this drink. If you've made it this far, comment on the city from which you saw this video.
If you like our recipes, leave us a comment. I love it. I like it. Yes, I will try it. Thank you very much for following this page. God bless you all.